Number 3, lunchtime. Let's prepare our ground turkey for this delicious bean meal. In a medium saucepan, place half a tablespoon of olive oil and coat the entire pan. Using high heat, begin to heat up the pan. Now, open your ground turkey meat and place it into the saucepan when the pan is hot. Using a spatula, begin to toss turkey meat around the pan for cooking. Once meat is browned, add half a tablespoon of Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper to taste, and of course, Mrs. Dash non-salt seasoning. Once all turkey meat has been browned, you'll know it's cooked because there's no pink meat anywhere in sight, like so. Once turkey meat is cooked, remove turkey from the pan and transfer it onto a meat strainer and drain excess oil and liquid. Again, using a digital scale, measure out 4 ounces of this lean, delicious ground turkey meat. Pour the ground turkey onto a plate with 1 cup of jasmine white rice. And lastly, my favorite part, adding these delicious ranch-style beans into this meal. You'll need half of a can, and enjoy. Look how beautiful. Meal number 4. Let's marinate our salmon for this delicious and nutritious meal. You'll need 2 pounds of Atlantic salmon fillet. Place salmon onto a cutting board and pat dry with paper towels. Pat dry. Sprinkle half a tablespoon of Himalayan salt on the salmon fillet evenly. Add half a tablespoon of pepper and, you guessed it, half a tablespoon of Mrs. Dash's no salt seasoning. And for this flavor, we're using lemon herb. Remember, we do not want to overpower the salmon with seasoning, so do so sparingly. Once you've done both sides of the salmon fillet, cut the salmon into 2 by 2 inch pieces. Once your salmon fillets are cut, place it into a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. For maximum flavor, we recommend marinating for at least 24 hours. Then, using a medium non-stick frying pan, place 2 cups of olive oil into the pan. Turn up the stove to high and let the saucepan heat Once pan is hot, place salmon pieces onto the pan. Be very careful as the oil will be hot and you're dealing with a hot flame. After about 2 minutes, you'll need to flip the salmon onto the other side for cooking. And we're looking for that beautiful orange color, just like that. Continue cooking salmon for an additional 2 to 3 minutes on all sides. Once you reach this nice orange color, you'll know that the salmon is ready. Once the salmon is cooked, turn off the stove and remove cooked salmon from frying pan and transfer it onto a steam tray lined with paper towels. This will help drain any excess oil on the salmon. And then place it to the side. And look, this is what we're looking for. All the oil draining onto the paper towel so that we don't eat any excess unwanted oil. Now let's prepare the asparagus for this delicious meal. Heat a non-stick pan on high with half a tablespoon of olive oil to coat the entire pan. Once pan is hot, place the asparagus onto the pan and toss the asparagus to coat it with olive oil, just like that. Then sprinkle 1/2 tablespoon of Mrs. Dash non-salt seasoning. Continue to cook the asparagus until desired texture, then transfer it onto a plate once cooked. Now, let's weigh out 4 ounces of salmon on our digital scale for this meal. Add half a cup of the asparagus you just cooked. And then, we're using 1 full cup of jasmine white rice for this meal. And finally, this meal is best with lemon. Lots of lemon. Enjoy. Meal number 5, our protein fruit smoothie. First, chop 1 whole banana. Next, chop 3 strawberries into small pieces. And remember, be very, very careful when dealing with sharp objects by your fingertips. Place 6 ounces of clear water onto a blender. Add half a cup of ice. Next, you're going to add 2 scoops of protein powder. Then, add 1/3 cup of raw quick oats oatmeal. Then, add 1 tablespoon of Adam's all-natural peanut butter. Lastly, you're going to want to add your fruit and then blend away. There you go. Congratulations and enjoy. You made it through a tough day of eating nutritious. And now you get to enjoy this awesome nutritious packed smoothie. Thank you so much for taking this leap of faith into a healthier lifestyle. We are grateful for you and appreciate this opportunity to serve you. Please join us next time on our upcoming courses.